Kickoff is a fun little thing to do before the actual tune starts, so that everyone comes in at the same time, the same key, and the same speed. The Taters Kickoff is one of the most common kickoffs. I'm Ruth Rowland, and this video will talk about the Taters Kickoff, what it is, how to add a backbeat, and how to extend it so that it's a little bit longer in case your team needs more time to come in together. If this interests you, subscribe for more of the same. So the Taters Kickoff is done right in the middle of the bow, so from the middle to the upper middle, and it goes like this: 1 tater, 2 taters. And that's a good way of counting how many taters you're doing, because you don't always have to do 4, and we'll get into that. You want to feel the beat, know what speed you usually play the piece that you're kicking off. Maybe just play a little bit to yourself so you're sure you have the speed that you can do, and then go ahead and start your taters. You can add a backbeat to them. This is especially good if you're playing Cajun music or dance music. You want to add a backbeat, and you can do that one of 2 ways. You can add more weight, send more relaxed arm weight through your index finger, through your pointer finger on your bow hand. Or you can dip down to the upper string. Right? Start on a single string. Right? I'll do that slower. That's something for you to play with. You know, this is a little bit a matter of style. Like if you need a real good pulse, or you're playing old-timey music, or as I mentioned, Cajun music, you'll definitely want a backbeat. But it's a little bit a matter of taste too, because if you have a more linear style, lyrical style, more long-term direction like this, right? Your group will come in just fine, and you might like that larger shape rather than, can you hear the difference? So you can combine these taters with, especially with the Chop Kickoff. That's it's a good combination, taters and chops. And you can do 3 + 1. And in that case, the chop, that last chop, will be an up bow, but you'll still, and it'll be in the middle of the bow, but you'll still want a real short bow like I showed you in the Chop Kickoff video, right? Short bows at the frog. You can do the same thing by kicking the bow off the string. If your fiddle tune has a pickup note, you pretty much have to do 3 taters and a chop. I'll show you what I mean on Soldier's Joy. 1 tater, 2 tater, 3 tater, chop. In this case, the pickup notes took the place of the last tater. You can also do 2 taters and 2 chops, and that's going to sound like this. And you'll notice there too, the first chop had to be in the middle of the bow with my other taters, and the second one was, like I showed you in the previous video, at the frog. So if your taters have a real strong backbeat, you're going to want to rehearse this away from the gathering, so you know whether your bow arm is likely to get mixed up. The combination of the backbeat plus the chops being on the beat sometimes can throw us off, so you'll want to rehearse that. If your group takes more than 4 taters to get going, you can extend the Taters Kickoff by playing 4 taters on a single string and adding an upper string for the last 4. So another way you can do this is you play 8 taters and a friend, a fellow musician comes in after the first 4. So if it comes in for the second set of 4 taters, as something like this. So to play a taters kickoff, first find the beat. This is for any kickoff. You want to make sure you're starting in the same speed that you play the piece, and then play it in the middle of the bow. Play 1 tater, 2 tater, 3 tater, 4 tater. And to add a backbeat, you lean some relaxed arm weight through your pointer finger, your index finger, onto the bow. Or you can add another string for when you want the backbeat. You can combine the taters kickoff with the chop kickoff, and you can extend it by either adding another string or adding a friend to come in for the second set of 4 taters. You'll notice we didn't talk about which notes to choose. In this video, I cover that in this video. So feel free to go here next. Otherwise, if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next one posts. See you soon.